Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Package arrived in the mail today. It says on the box, Motor Zone, Amazon Prime. Need my key again. That says here Motor Zone. Need to get a pocket knife in my pocket again. We have here a very fine little machine. This is a Autel, A-U-T-E-L, OBDII scanner code reader. It says MaxiLink ML529, OBDII functionality, multilingual support, internet updates, prints data via Windows-based PC. That's pretty cool. I can open up my own car shop with that, huh? Check engine lights. Supports all 10 modes of OBDII tests for complete diagnosis, featuring the unique patented one-click IM readiness key, TFT color display, built-in speaker, ultimate in power and affordability, allows you to do your job faster. Out-of-in function can identify manufacturer-specific codes, and thousands of troubleshooter code tips can help technicians and save diagnosis and repair time. Let me see. Works on 96 and newer vehicles. Auto-VIN function we just mentioned. Reads enhanced codes and powertrain system for Ford, GM, and Chrysler. We said OBD6. Retrieves generic PO, P2, P3, and UO manufacturer specific P1, P3, and U1 codes and pending codes. Retrieves VIN, Cal ID, and CVN. Determine the cause of the check engine light. Turns off check engine light, that's nice. Clears codes, resets and monitors, that's good. Views freeze frame data. Displays monitor and IM readiness status, emissions codes. Reads live PCM data stream. Displays live O2 sensor test data. Wow, this has got a lot. Graphs data, 96 and newer vehicles. Reads, stores, and plays back live sensor data. Troubleshooter code tips, guide technicians to the root cause of a trouble code faster, saving diagnosis and repair time. Unique patented one-click readiness key for quick state emissions readiness check and drive cycle verification. Bright color LEDs, multilingual, internet update. We all saw those points. Pretty cool. This is great because I have a car down and out and another one that's throwing some codes. So, there is a case, and there's the computer itself. Let's see what's in the accessories case. Let me see, there's an actual user's manual, a real user's manual. Look at that, that's rare these days. And it's pretty thick. That's nice. That's the real deal. You don't get them all the time anymore. There's a quick reference guide. I'll be reading all that here in a little bit. And we got a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, your extension cable. Oh, good. That's convenient. Comes with an extension cable. And a computer USB cable. That's very convenient. So it plugs into your car here, plugs into your bottom of your computer. There's your USB port. There it is. There's a port for the code reader. Pretty nice. Alright, I'm going to have to check the instructions and see how even to open this thing, and we'll get back to you. It's got a pretty rugged case too, so this is meant for real world use. Look at that. Nice. Alright, we'll be back in a bit. I've got to read this, figure out what I'm doing and where the batteries go. Now the next portion of this video has to be done in my car. So I don't have a lot of room for a tripod, so I'm going to put the cable on here and fasten it. I found out there are no batteries included. This thing works directly off the power of the car itself. So if I understand everything correctly, I'm going to connect this up, the cable onto here, and then I'll plug it into the car, and then we'll be back in a minute. Immediately, when you plug it into the computer, by my feet, fortunately up a little bit, plug the cable in here, it powers on immediately. So now I've got to go through and learn how to use this thing. But at this point, that will carry on into the final testing and review and field testing of this product, because now I've got to learn a lot about this thing. Because this has the ability to do all kinds of tests and diagnostics, as we read on the cover here on the box. So I'm going to learn how to use this and hardcore test it in the next couple days here. Go through all the diagnostics and the codes on my car, find out what's wrong with my car, because it is throwing a code, and then I can also check on the other car which is throwing a code, and see about fixing this car up. So stay tuned, guys, for the updates on this device, the MaxiLink OBDII scanner from Autel, A-U-T-E-L, and I'll put the links down in the video description and the comments below. For those of you who want to buy it already, right away, it looks like a very nice device, and for the price, I am incredibly impressed. The rugged appearance of it, with the rubberized protective coating all the way around. The fact that it doesn't require batteries is great, because it's not going to rot on you and get destroyed from battery leakage, which surprisingly happens a lot, even in these days. And yeah, the ability to check your car. So I'm going to get into the instructions, start playing around here, and figure out what's wrong with my car. Thanks for watching, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Another cool product here at the homestead. Definitely helpful. Everybody has to have a car.